Belimed's UW565 ultrasonic washer rinser is the model of space-saving efficiency and throughput. With over twice the capacity of current wash-rinse consoles and within the traditional console footprint, the 565 is ideal for both new facilities and drop-in replacement of existing units. Belimed is a leading global provider of complete solutions for cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization in the healthcare, life sciences, and laboratory markets. Belimed is committed to and passionate about developing sustainable equipment that meets safety and quality standards. On behalf of Belimed employees worldwide, thank you for your interest in our product. Let's start by reviewing the UW565 Sonic. Please use this video in combination with the operator's manual provided with the unit. The operator's manual should be stored in close proximity to the Sonic for quick reference. Components and functions. First, turn the unit on. The on-off rocker switches are clearly marked on the front left side of the unit. The unit touchscreen controls will light up and the unit will be ready to use or program. Use the toe kick switch to raise the lid and tray elevator. The elevator will smoothly lift your trays out of the unit tank for easy access. Note that you can use this button at any time while the unit is in operation to interrupt the cycle and gain immediate access to your instruments. Trays are easy to load into the elevator. The UW565 offers standard, cannulated, and robotic tray accessory options, or you may use your own trays, assuming they fit into the chamber. Trays stacked too deep or for oversized loads, you can limit use to one tray per cycle. Lower the lid with the kick switch. We can now take a closer look at the UW565's controls and walk through the unit's essential functions. Operating controls. The buttons on the main control screen are intuitive and give you quick access to common functions. The unit features 3 user-defined programs, one each for standard, cannulated, and robotic instruments. Selecting the program you want is easy. Simply press the appropriate button and the cycle begins automatically. The unit will initiate an automatic degas cycle prior to program start to assure optimal effectiveness throughout the program time. The cycle status screen will then continue to provide timer countdown information throughout the length of the cycle and provide visual and auditory notification when the cycle is complete. You can also interrupt a cycle in progress from the cycle status screen. To set up the wash parameters for each cycle, go to the main menu and press the Wash Setup button. The Wash menu is laid out the same way as the main menu, with all definable parameters laid out by program. Return to the main menu by pressing the main screen button on the lower right side of the display. You can access the rinse cycle parameters by pressing the Rinse Setup button. Like the Wash menu, all parameters are laid out by program. Again, return to the main menu by pressing the main screen button. Now press the Service Screen button. The service screen is also accessible from the main screen and is designed to provide maintenance technicians with access to valuable sensor data and machine runtime parameters. Now that we've had an overview of the control panel keys, let's use that knowledge to select a program, modify it, and then run the machine. Loading and programming. Wash timing is the most common parameter to modify. The length of a sonic cycle is defined by the manufacturer of the instruments being washed, so consult instrument IFUs for their recommended sonic cleaning timing. Remember, very heavily loaded sets may require more time. Now press the Wash Setup button. Press the Program button on the left to select the program you'd like to alter. Timing is easy to set. Simply enter the new value and press Enter. The unit will automatically lock in your choice. You can also adjust detergent dosing timing from this screen. This should only be done, however, if changing detergent formulations. It's important to keep your Sonic's wash tank clean. Belimed recommends that you drain the tank no less than once a day. Depending on your instrument type and pre-washing procedure, however, you may choose to empty it more often than that. The UW565 allows you to set an automatic tank drain interval between 1 and 10 cycles. Below the dark blue timing interval area on the screen, there are buttons that allow you to turn the detergent pump off for manual dosing, turn off the irrigation system, and deactivate the lid lift alarm. The last feature can be particularly useful in SPDs with good sight lines to the sonic and high existing background noise. Status on these features is easy to see at a glance. Green represents on, and gray shows a feature that is either off or not selected. Different size loads may require more or less water in the tank. Remember, after being loaded into the tank, if it's not covered with water, it's not being cleaned. Excess water in the tank, however, will reduce overall cleaning efficacy by lowering unit watt density, spreading out the cleaning power available over a larger area. The UW565 helps you strike this balance by providing 3 water level settings: 6 inches, 9 inches, and 12 inches. With the 565, you can easily customize unit setup to match the characteristics of your instrument loads. Now exit the Wash Cycle menu, go back to the main screen, and select Rinse Setup. Select the program you'd like to modify. Tap Water Rinse is a standard feature on the 565. DI Rinse is an available option. Set your tap and DI water rinse timers. Use of these timers in tandem allows you to conserve valuable DI, using a longer duration of tap water for general soap removal, and DI for final instrument demineralization. The 565 incorporates an additional water-saving feature. We call this Rinse Retain. Activating this feature saves the rinse water in the unit tank and then uses it in the following wash cycle. Just as in our washer disinfectors, Belimed strives to offer resource-responsible options. Return to the main screen. You're now ready to start loading trays and instruments into the unit. The 565 can hold up to 70 pounds of instruments, 35 pounds per tray. Since all units feature cannulated irrigation as standard, any unit can mix and match standard, cannulated, or robotic trays. Cannulated instruments require special flushing connections, assuring good water flow through the lumen and preventing both efficiency-robbing air pockets and debris retention. Cannulated and robotic racks are provided with a pulsed flow water distribution system. The rack-mounted water manifold connects to the unit, and the instrument then connects to the rack manifold. Install these racks by sliding the large rack manifold tube into the Quick Connect input ports located at the front of the chamber. Next, attach the instruments to the plastic lure connections, pushing in the graduated fitting until it fits snugly. The unit is now prepared to wash and rinse the inside of the instrument lumen. Care and maintenance. To ensure that the UW565 continues to perform at an optimal level, routine maintenance should be conducted on the unit. Keep the unit's detergent bottle filled. The unit is equipped with a level alarm sensor and may be supplied from either the internal 1-gallon bottle or from an external source. The chamber and panels should be cleaned at least once a week and whenever soiled. Clean with a soft lint-free cloth using a water detergent mixture or a hospital-approved stainless steel cleaner. Rinse completely when done. When cleaning the chamber, it is a good time to inspect the drain screen and clean if necessary. The touch panel display can be cleaned with a damp cloth. Use only water or glass detergent. Do not use any aggressive solvents or abrasive cleaners. Always keep lid closed when not in use to minimize evaporation and detergent buildup. Periodically check plumbing and hoses for leaks. Belimed recommends that you complete an in-depth preventative maintenance at least quarterly. The maintenance should be performed by a Belimed-trained service technician. Belimed has an extensive field service group ready to meet this need. Please call 800-451-4118 or visit our website to schedule your visits for the upcoming year. Another option is to purchase an on-demand or on-demand plus service agreement, and Belimed will coordinate with you to schedule and perform all necessary maintenance. Thank you for watching the UW565 Sonic Basic in-Service video, and know that you can have absolute confidence in your cleaning results with this system. Belimed has a passion for excellence and for instilling customer confidence in the solutions it recommends. Belimed offers a better way of thinking.